There's Grant swimming at Lake Marguerite. Are you swimming? Let me see. Kick. Kick. There you go.
Can't. I really can't.
And then you'll say, see? That's where I get my double chin from.
What, if I were to get you on video?
Yeah.
Why don't you point out the blueberry bushes to us?
Oh, okay. The blueberry bushes this year are extremely high because we've had so much rain. And there's already little bitty blueberries growing on them. Of course, that one's not going to grow because I just picked it. There's a little tiny blueberry. But all in through here, there's blueberries. And the whole area is kind of marshy because of the rain. It's soggy, which is conducive to growing blueberries.
There you go. Thank you.
And that's the end of the commercial.
That's the end of the commercial. Oh my gosh.
Aww.
Mud on the head. Now you have to go under to get it off.
Yeah, you got to go all the way over under with your face in the water and scrub it off. No, you didn't come near.
Hey Grant, why don't you tell us what you're doing?
Doing a Krabby Patty.
You're making a Krabby Patty?
Hey, Grant.
What are you going to do with it?
Eat it.
He's going to eat it.
Now that I was going to get video of him putting it on his head like he was doing before. His head is caked with sand because he was putting it on his head.
It's so good.
What? Grant? Never again, huh?
SpongeBob.
We missed it. All right. Put the cup on the ground, Grant. There you go. Now pump. Do it. Push. 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 There you go. Do it again. Do it again. Ah! There you go. Third time you're going to get water. I know you are.
I'm not doing it.
It's not doing it. Keep going. Don't stop. Oh my goodness. All right. You can stop. I'll stop the video. Nothing. Yeah, I'll do it. You want to hold the video and show me doing it?
No.
No? All right.
You have to pump it up.
Okay. Want me to pump it?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's pretty funny. All right, do you want to hold the video to show it? So excited. He's got it going. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. We want to see it. Keep going. Oh, what happened? It was going. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right. Woohoo! All right. Are we happy? All right.